Electric cars were supposed to save you money, but for many owners, the opposite is happening. With gas prices rising, millions switch to electric, expecting huge savings.
Congratulations again. Here are the keys to your brand new EV.
I appreciate it. The interior looks amazing, and I can't wait to take it for a spin.
Charging at home isn't always cheap, especially with rising electricity rates.
And fast charging can cost almost as much as gasoline.
Over time, small costs start adding up.
The biggest expense? Battery degradation.
Replacing a battery can cost thousands, sometimes over $10,000.
Insurance for EVs is often higher than traditional gas cars.
And EVs can lose value faster than expected.
In cold weather, range drops, meaning more frequent charging.
I can't believe how long this is taking. We're never gonna get charged at this rate.
For short city drives, EVs can still make sense.
But for long distances, gas cars remain more practical.
So, are EV owners really saving money? The truth is, though, it depends on how you drive and what you're not being told.